Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fabulous. It's Lynceeluv here again and welcome to my channel. I had my birthday recently and today I would like to share with you some of the gorgeous presents that I received from my family and friends. I will also put some of the links in the description below, so don't forget to check it out. First are the two products from H&M. As we know, H&M is a Swedish multinational clothing retail company known for its fast fashion clothing for men, women, teenagers, and children. As of 2019, H&M operates in 74 countries with over 5,000 stores under the various company brands, with 126,000 full-time equivalent positions. It is the second largest global clothing retailer, and the company makes its online shopping available in 33 countries. Number one is this cute yellow sunflower short puff sleeve crop top with narrow elastic and ruffle trim at the cuffs right there and lower edges, right, with a cute drawstring at the front. The material of this top is made of 100% polyester. And number two is this round shoulder bag in braided paper straw with two handles and a zip at the top. I love this purse in beige color and it's perfect for summer. It has a narrow full leather strap in light brown that matches this beautiful summer bag. Alright, so it has a zipper here. Let's open that and take out all these papers. That helps this purse or bag keeps its shape. It has an inner compartment, which is only one right there. Just a slip pocket, and it is lined with 100% polyester. It has a depth of 6.5 centimeters and a diameter of 24.5 centimeters. Alright, the next ones came in a very interesting package. I will show it to you right here. Yes, who would have thought that it would come with this jewelry from Swarovski? But receiving that box really made me laugh so hard, and I was so happy to receive it. Who doesn't want to receive a box of masks, right? It's essential nowadays, so I really love receiving those presents. Anyhow, inside of that box, I found these two boxes of jewelry from Swarovski. There it is. And there's the other one. I already opened it, guys, so I can easily show it too. So we know that Swarovski focus on trend curation, design, and meaningful branding. Every piece of Swarovski tells a story and embodies over 125 years of mastered craftsmanship. The continuous evolution of material and technique makes Swarovski the leader of crystal cut creations. One is this beautiful Swarovski evil eye symbolic bangle. I will insert a photo here for you to have a better look at it. Alright, so that's the bangle. Alright, it looks so beautiful, you guys. This stunning mixed plated bangle offers a striking contrast between rose gold plated metal, crystal pave, and blue crystals, featuring two eye motifs and a blue crystal drop. It has an adjustable closure for a secure fit. So let's take it out so you can have a better look at it, guys, aside from the photos that I will insert as what I've said a while ago. So that's the bangle right there. Maybe I'll move a little backwards. There it is. It has a lobster claw clasp type with a cute swan right there. Alright guys, so I'm able to put it on. There it is. It's so cute. And at the back, I'm just gonna turn it. The length of this item is 4.33 inches with a width of 2.25 inches and the length of 1.75 inches. There it is, the evil eye symbolic bangle. Last but not the least, under Swarovski is this beautiful hoop earrings. Alright, let's take it out from the box. So it is the beautiful Swarovski evil eye symbolic front-facing pierced hoop earrings with beautiful and innovative looks. Again, I will insert a photo of it here for you to have a better look. Let's take off the plastic that's covering it so we can have a better look at it. Now let's take it out. It comes with a plastic protecting this beautiful and delicate earrings there. It has a delicate pave evil eye symbol features at the top of the design, right? You can see it there. Before romantic white crystal pearls, babe hoops, 3D shaped hands, and pear-shaped blue crystals come into play. So at first I didn't know that those are hands, guys, but now I can see it clearly. When I received this present, I did not look at it closely. I was just like, oh my god, this box of a mask has some jewelries on it. So I was like, oh my god, you know, so happy. I was so overwhelmed with everything, hanging out with my family and then receiving all these presents from my family and friends, you know. I'm sure you know what I mean. So it's a cool rose gold tone plated. Look for elegant styling with a bohemian edge. The size is 5.5 by 2 centimeters. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you to all of you who shared these blessings to me, and thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment, and share it with your friends. Stay safe, stay well, stay happy. Till next time. Bye.